Nobody likes a greasy chimney in their kitchen. While being inefficient and unpleasant to look at, it is also difficult to clean. Release-on chimney cleaner is free from caustic soda. It does not harm your health or the environment. It is non-hazardous, non-flammable and toxic-free. It has no known health risk or environmental danger. The product is soft on metals as well as human skin. We have an easy way to clean the chimney filter. Step 1. Remove the greasy and oily mesh or baffle filter from the chimney. Step 2. Place the filter in the kitchen sink or a flat plastic tray and add 3 liters of hot water. Step 3. Shake well and empty the release-on bottle contents into the hot water. Step 4. Keep the filter soaked for at least 3 hours or overnight for best results. Step 5. After soaking, clean the mesh filter. Use the round-headed nylon brush for mesh filters and the one provided with your cleaner for baffle filter. Step 6. Wash the mesh or baffle filter in running water and dry it out with a cloth. Step 7. A newborn chimney filter is ready for placing back in the chimney. In the end, mix 10 ml of the cleaner concentrate in 1 liter of water. Use this diluted solution to clean the sides of the chimney.